What up guys, your boy Big A here. Welcome to another Big A's unboxing video. Today we have a shorty but goodie video. So let's get started. It's a single package. So without further ado, let's get to cracking guys. As always, safety first. Let's cut this tape and bust this thing open. I am very excited to finally be able to see this piece. Been waiting a long time for this, so let's see here. There you go. All right, so the first piece, so this is a freebie guys. This is not what I bought, but this is very nice of the seller. Looks like a T1 or T2 VW van. Very cool in these pastel colors. Thank you, seller. Gonna set this to the side. And now let's get to the main prize. So here it is, the piece I've been waiting for. I think I ordered this about 2 months ago. So now here it is. Very happy to have it in my collection. This will make my third Kaido house piece. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Okay, there's the first layer. Now we have to cut this tape here. 1, 2. Alright guys, so here it goes. Kaido House card culture for all scales. Very nice presentation, if I do say so myself. There's that. And voila, here it is guys. Take a look at this, man. Jeez Louise, very nice. Love the gold deep dish wheels with chrome. It's got the evasive decal on the upper side of the windshield. It's got some cool sponsor tampos on the hood. VTech work Kaido House number 52, and it's got the Honda Tampo badge. Very nice. On this side it's got the matching number 52 on this quarter panel here, just on the side of the fender. It also has the VTech and evasive tampos on the door. On this quarter panel it's got the work and evasive tampos. Very nice. Take a look at the interior guys. Is this a right-hand drive? No, it's a left-hand drive. Very nice details on the interior, guys. The red steering wheel, the red bucket seats, and then let's see here. On the small wing here, it says evasive right on the top. Let's take a look at the back. Very nice details, man. Take a look at that. Well worth the wait and the price for sure. So I got this when it went out for pre-sale. I think it was like $19.99. Now that it's in stock, I've seen them go as high as $27.99 plus shipping. But well worth the price, guys. I'm not too sure if this one has any opening components. Let's see. The hood might open, but again, guys, I'm not gonna take a risk. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like the hood might open. I'm gonna have to unscrew the base a little bit and pop it open, and then feed a toothpick and try to pop the hood open that way. But here it is guys. I hope you guys like the piece. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right guys, so this is all I have for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You set it here, let it spin for a little bit. Alright guys, I think you've seen enough. So you guys take care, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.